up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, I'm Lexi. If you've never been here before, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. But yeah guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this thumbnail for your YouTube videos. If you are like a new content creator or you're learning how to make thumbnails for your videos, definitely stay tuned because I am going to be showing you how to make this right here. It is free. I use Canva. You can use it on your phone, your computer, your iPad, whichever. Again, I'm going to say it one more time. It is free. I do show how to do it with all of the free designs instead of using Pro. So if you are interested, please smack that like button below. And yeah, you guys, don't mind my voice. I did just get my flu shot today, so I kind of feel and sound under the weather. But yeah, you guys, let's get into this video. So you guys, you are gonna open up Canva. I do go into that little text box there, look up YouTube thumbnails. So it will bring you to some templates you can already choose from. So if you do like some of them, go ahead and click one of those. But I am gonna be designing my own thumbnail. But again, I'm just showing you here all the different kinds of thumbnails. Again, you can just work off of those, designing your way, adding your photos instead of, designing one from blank. But yes, you guys, I am just opening up a blank design here. And then I am looking for a background. I end up not using a background. I kind of do a transparent overlay. I was looking at a whole bunch of different images here, so if you do find one, of course, definitely go in there and grab one. But yeah, again, everything I use here is free, so all those are free. But these are my photos I am going to be adding in here. Again, I did upload these before the video. If you need a step-by-step on how to do that, again, I can show that. Otherwise, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just upload the media in there, and then I do end up using a Pro feature on here. You are going to see here, but I do show you how to do it if you don't have Pro. So you do use a different app, use a different website. You can use it on your phone, again, iPad, whichever. So I do show you that here in a second, but I do use a Pro feature here by just having to remove the background. But I am showing you here how to do it on remove.bg.com. I upload my image in there and then I download it after. It removes the background for you. It's pretty nice. You just download it and then you upload it into your Canva here. I'm just showing you exactly how to do that. You upload it and then therefore you can add it into your thumbnail just like I did in my design. So again, if you are looking for a no background behind your photo like I did, that is how you do it free. And so I'm just showing you how I do that because I do use that because I do have Canva Pro, but I just wanted to show you in case you did not want to purchase that or do the free trial. Again, I just was showing you that here. But yeah, you guys, now that that is completed, we are going to remove the background on my photo in Canva like I had originally planned to do. And then once the background is removed, I am just going to add in 2 or 3 photos that are going to be in my background, just kind of as a little design. I don't know, you'll see how I do it here in the end. But you guys, I am just uploading them in here and then I will let you know what I do next. Hey guys, now I just was positioning my photos here just how I would like them aligned. I am going to make these transparent again so they don't really matter. They're just going to kind of be like a background. But yeah, you guys, I am just looking up a image that I can put over these photos to make them look transparent but have a cool design to it. I tried finding palm trees. I didn't like how they looked overlaid on top of them. So I do end up finding a gradient, kind of I would say ombre that I put over it just because I felt like this made my face look weird. If you see how I make this transparent with the transparency tool, I didn't really like it, so I do end up finding that gradient. And then I will show you how I add in my computer onto my thumbnail. Okay, you guys, now that I have the kind of the look that I want with that gradient scale, I am going to add in a computer. Again, this is on the element tab. Again, all the images I'm using are free. There are obviously options to do if you are pro, but I did use all free again. And right here, I just went into the intro that I made and I just made that, I took a screenshot of the picture right here on my computer. Again, if you don't know how to do that on your computer, I believe it is Control-Command-3 on an on a Mac computer. So I just pretty much just took a picture of my intro, therefore I can add it into the Mac computer. Again, you can do this all on your phone if you'd like to, or iPad. You would just screenshot like normal. I believe on all those devices you hit the home button and the lock button, or the volume down button and the lock button at the same time. Again, that is just for the different devices. But again, I just am adding this to my photo, and then I'm going to upload it back into Canva. Therefore, I can add it into my Canva design here and put it like on my computer, if that makes sense. If you need like a slower, tutorial on how to do that, I can always do that. Otherwise, it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, I'm just cropping it to fit into that there, and then I'm just stretching it. For some reason, I kept moving to the background. I tried moving it forward, it wasn't working, so I just had to re-add in that image. I went back to elements, added in the gradient that I did find here, and then I just added back over, made it transparent again, and then I just moved the items forward that I needed forward, like the computer, just so then those stood out. And then I am going to show you how I make like the text here. Again, I just use the text glow, and then I just edited it. That is completed. Again, it's self-explanatory. I just went back into elements. I got the Canva logo here, and then I also do get the YouTube logo as well. I just put them on here just to show what I use like in this tutorial. Therefore, if somebody wants to click on my thumbnail, they can see exactly what applications I did use. I don't know, I feel like when I look for videos or DIYs, I want to make sure I know what I'm using before I go and click on it. So I feel like this will definitely like help other people want to click on my video. I don't know, you really just gotta grasp the eye, I believe, with like thumbnails. Okay, so right here I just want to add in like a free little like logo. I made it very big just so then therefore when they see the thumbnail they can see that it is free. I know a lot of people they will like show YouTube intros and you end up having to pay or use certain apps, or like have to use like Adobe Pro or stuff like that. So I really just want to make it clear it is free, that I am like what I am showing in this video. And then again, you can edit that however you like. Again, every thumbnail is going to be different. I'm just showing you exactly how I designed this one using Canva. Again, I love Canva. I just feel like it's very easy to use for beginners, and I feel like you can use a lot for free. And then right here, I just wanted to add in a little more glitter just to give it some glam, and then pretty much that's all I did with this thumbnail. Now that I have everything in its place, I am going to take the gradient one more time, just because I don't know why it just kept glitching every time I clicked on something. It would have to make me like re-add this. So I'm just re-adding this in here, positioning it backwards. Therefore, the only thing that is really popping out is the text and the iPad. And then yeah, you guys, this is how my thumbnail turned out. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a fat thumbs up, and thanks for watching.